If you are a SHIB holder and are in the mood for some hope and excitement, this is the video that you need to watch. Apple, alongside a number of other big companies, might have been making some silent moves that are being projected to completely explode the price of SHIB. I'll be exposing those silent moves in this video, so make sure to stick around till the end. Disclaimer: today's video is brought to you by Bybit, and they've got some exciting news to share. Bybit, a leading cryptocurrency exchange, has just introduced an incredible AI-powered tool called TradeGPT. This game-changing platform is here to revolutionize your crypto trading experience. TradeGPT, developed by Dubai-based Bybit, is a free AI-powered trading assistant that provides unparalleled insights derived from the platform's extensive market data. It's more than just a trading tool, it's your personal crypto education companion. By harnessing the power of ChatGPT's large language model and Bybit's Tools GPT, TradeGPT offers real-time market analysis and answers to your burning questions in multiple languages. Imagine having access to cutting-edge market strategies and product insights, all tailored to your needs. Bybit's commitment to innovation is undeniable, with Tools GPT already integrated in June of 2023, combining machine learning and AI capabilities for in-depth technical analysis and predictive modeling. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to elevate your crypto trading game. Head over to Bybit and experience the future of trading with TradeGPT today. Stay ahead of the curve, embrace the power of AI, and remember, the crypto world is evolving faster than ever before. All the relevant links are in the description. Before we get into that big update, there is some exciting Shiba Inu news that you need to be aware of. Shiba Inu whales have been going hard on SHIB, accumulating huge amounts of the token in such a short time. What's even more exciting is that the amount of SHIB tokens that the largest SHIB whales have been buying is way more than the amount of tokens that they've been selling. So could there be something that they know about the future of SHIB that the rest of us do not know? Just so that you can properly appreciate how much these whales have been buying, here's what Watcher Guru wrote. Data from Into the Block pointed out that the large holders' net flow has risen by 275% over the past week. At press time, the reading of this metric was in positive territory and flashed a value of 145.7 billion SHIB tokens. Thus, it can be contended that buying bias is in its formative stage in the SHIB market at the moment. The bottom line here is that the fact that these whales are spending all that money to grab as many SHIB tokens as they can has to mean that they believe in the token and maybe even the project. It is possible that they know of some SHIB price boom that could be coming in the near future, hence their decision to get in on the token. And considering the huge news that we just received, it wouldn't be far-fetched for them to think that way. Speaking of huge news, we just found out that Franklin Templeton has filed for a US Bitcoin ETF. Now, if you don't pay much attention to the financial market, it's possible that you might not have heard of Franklin Templeton. However, it just so happens to be one of the biggest asset management organizations in the world, with a portfolio that is worth about $1.5 trillion. And yeah, they just filed for a Bitcoin ETF. If you have been watching videos on this channel, you already know that Franklin Templeton is not the first asset manager to apply for a US Bitcoin ETF. BlackRock, unarguably the biggest asset manager and one of the biggest companies in the world, applied for a US Bitcoin ETF a couple of months back. And around the same time, Fidelity, another asset manager, applied for a US Bitcoin ETF as well. It's interesting that all of these big companies are choosing to get in on the crypto ETF at about the same time. And what's particularly interesting about this is that the crypto market isn't exactly performing at its best right now. So for these big companies with all of their resources to be pushing to get into the crypto market in this way, it just has to mean that they believe that the crypto market is here to stay and there is some profit that they can get from it. This is the same sentiment that Nasdaq echoed when it wrote that Franklin Templeton, managing approximately $1.5 trillion in assets, is looking to capitalize on the growing demand for Bitcoin investments. Their proposed ETF, if approved, would provide investors with a more accessible and regulated means to gain exposure to the world's leading cryptocurrency. The filing outlines plans for the Franklin Templeton Digital Asset Trust, which aims to track the performance of Bitcoin. Understandably, Franklin Templeton, alongside the other companies that have applied for the ETF, are not necessarily doing it to boost the crypto market. There's something in it for them too, including increased liquidity for them and ease of trading cryptocurrencies for their investors. Basically, they are looking to expand the range of services that they offer, and they know that the way to do that is by catering to the crypto market. The other companies that have filed for this ETF seem to have similar plans. So it looks like we can expect a Bitcoin price boom if the applications are approved. In fact, even if just one company got their application approved, Bitcoin would still benefit from it. Why? Well, each of these companies is worth a lot. If some of that money enters into the crypto market, there's absolutely no way that the crypto market wouldn't be positively affected. And if all three applications get approved, we can't even begin to imagine what the results would be. Now, if you have been watching videos on this channel, you already know why we are bothering to talk about companies getting into Bitcoin when this is a Shiba Inu channel. But for those who don't know, well, for one, if Bitcoin should get the kind of inflows that these companies could bring, the price pump that would follow would definitely rub off on other cryptocurrencies in the market, including Shiba Inu. More specifically though, precedent has shown that Bitcoin and Shiba Inu have an interesting kind of connection. Typically, when Bitcoin experiences a price pump, SHIB tends to follow suit. Interestingly, with losses, it is possible to see Bitcoin on a decline when SHIB is on an increase. But generally, if Bitcoin starts to pump, you would either find SHIB follow suit immediately or not too long after. So yeah, it would be great not just for Bitcoin holders but for SHIB holders as well if these Bitcoin ETF applications were accepted. If you found this really valuable, please drop a comment and share this video with friends. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, thus helping me to keep increasing the quality of the videos. That said, I think it is important to mention at this point that so far, no Bitcoin ETF applications have been accepted in the United States. These three asset managers are not the first companies to apply for the ETF. A number of other companies have applied in the past, but nothing has come out of those applications. However, we are all hoping that the value that these companies have would persuade the SEC to accept their applications. Fingers crossed, I guess. In the wake of these big companies showing interest in the crypto market, experts are predicting that some other big companies might decide to get in on the fun soon. Whalechart on X recently mentioned that they wouldn't be surprised to see tech giants like Apple, Amazon, and Google add Bitcoin to their balance sheets in 2024. Another crypto enthusiast, Alexei, kind of agrees with Whalechart's sentiments but thinks that these companies would choose to buy an ETF or hold crypto through a third-party custodian rather than add it to their balance sheet. What do I think? Well, I think either of those scenarios is possible. But before we get into that, this channel has a daily giveaway of 100,000 SHIB. For a chance to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below #ShibaInu. Good luck! Most of what we've talked about in this video is that a number of big companies have chosen to get into the crypto market by getting an ETF. So it wouldn't be far-fetched to think that the tech giants might do the same. However, we also have instances of big companies adding crypto to their portfolio, and a good example of this is Elon Musk's company Tesla. Whatever the case, it looks like we might be having an influx of big companies, especially from the tech and financial industries, getting into the crypto space. What this means is that the crypto market could be getting a huge injection of cash, something that it really needs right now. That said, I have to mention that nothing is confirmed yet. None of these tech companies has said anything about buying any cryptocurrency or buying a crypto ETF. The only huge companies that we are sure have applied for a crypto ETF are BlackRock, Fidelity, and now Franklin Templeton. I just felt that I needed to mention this so that we can all contain our expectations. We still have something to celebrate though. At least if the SEC accepts the ETF applications that it has received, we would have something to celebrate. Meanwhile, we can remain hopeful that everything works out and the crypto market gets a new injection of cash soon. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.